Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys the significance of the Saugus Ironworks and why it's so important in our world today. The Saugus Ironworks is nationally significant because it is considered the birthplace of the iron and steel industry in colonial America, initiating and sustaining an advanced iron-making technology in the New World. The historical site was restored in 1916, and the site's 1680s Ironworks House is a prominent example of the colonial revival and 20th century American preservation movement. The black house you see is called the Ironworks House. Aside from being a historical place, the Saugus Ironworks serves as a learning laboratory to understand and explore the stories of archaeology, Native American settlement, and life in the Massachusetts Bay Colony. The National Register of Historic Places calls the Saugus Ironworks the first chapter in America's book. The picture that's currently being shown on the screen shows and describes how iron was made back then. The Saugus Ironworks that you can go see today includes the reconstructed blast furnace, a forge, a rolling mill, and a restored 17th century house, also known as the Ironworks House, aka the black house that I'd shown on the screen earlier. The Saugus Ironworks demonstrates the crucial role of making iron to the 17th century settlement of the colonies and its legacy in shaping the history of the nation. The Saugus Ironworks House is the only structure that survives from the 16,000s. By the early 18,000s, the house had been greatly altered from its original state and was being used to house mill workers. It was soon sold but repurchased in 1915. The buyer bought the house to use as a tourist attraction and a place to house antique furniture. Today, some rooms contain period and reproduction furnishings to show what life would have been like for those who lived here in the 16,000s.